What is up, everyone? Welcome to the first episode of the Jump Rope Footwork series. What I'm planning to do with this series is show you different footwork patterns as well as drills that I've used to build my skills and abilities, because I want you to be able to do the same. If you are in need of a good jump rope, the only jump rope I use and recommend is the cross rope jump rope system because of its durability and quality. I got them linked with a discount code down below. Go check them out. So without further ado, let's get into this first drill. Grab your rope and let's do this. This drill is going to use 3 different skills. We're going to be doing the basic bounce. You can also substitute that with the boxer skip if you desire. We're going to do the alternate foot as well as single leg hops. So if you need to practice single leg hops by itself for a while to build up some endurance, you can do that. You're gonna find that your legs are gonna fatigue a lot faster with that, hopping on one leg, because you're now propelling your entire body weight just off of the one calf. This first drill is a drill that I used when I started out to learn how to start moving around with the rope. I wanted to start moving forwards, backwards, and side to side, and start learning how the rope reacts when I start to jump in any of those directions. So we're gonna be going through each one of those skills utilizing this drill. So with this drill, we're going to be utilizing kind of a cross pattern. So take this white line, and where this one meets it, assume it still extends out over there, and we're going to stand in the middle of that line. We're going to be jumping forwards, backwards, and side to side. We want to try to return always to the place where we started. So for the first one, we're going to do the basic bounce or boxer skip. So we're going to start jumping, and we're going to jump 3 or 4 times forward, return to center, and then 3 or 4 times backwards. Return to center, and then to side to side. Start slow if you need to, and then when you get back to the center, now we're going to go into the alternate leg, forwards, return to center, backwards, side to side. The side to side is going to be the most difficult part. So if you need to slow down, that's where you're going to really start to feel how the rope is kind of pulling and reacting to you moving from side to side. And it's going to help you get a lot better in control when you're jumping around for your freestyles. So then for the last one, when you come back to center, then you're going to go into your single leg hops, 3 or 4 jumps forward, 3 or 4 back, to the left, and then to the right, back to center, and then go to the left leg. Forward, backward, side to side. That is a very simple, basic drill, but you're gonna see that it's really gonna push your stamina. And as you get better at it, now try to go faster. So smaller, quicker jumps, faster rope rotation, under control, so you're not tripping up all the time, because that's not gonna help you in the long run. So now we're going to try to get through it as quickly as possible, pushing our speed. Oh, these ones are never very fast. As it gets stronger though, you get better. I haven't done this for a long time myself. I obviously need to do it more. Okay, so as you can see, I'm breathing hard. So you do that over and over again. It's not gonna make you just better with your footwork, with your jump strength, but also your stamina is gonna get better. All right, one little trick just to make things a little bit more entertaining. A little bit more next level is if you're doing the alternate leg for the side to side, you don't have to just keep it like this. You can kind of do the karaoke or grapevine to mix things up a little bit, get a little more footwork going. Once again, the purpose of this drill is the beginning stages of learning how to move around with the jump rope at a more advanced level, as you can see here. It's going to be challenging at first, so start slow, start building up that practice this drill 3 times a week for 10 minutes. Just cycle through it as many times as you can in 10 minutes, resting as needed. That in itself is going to start out as a workout for you, but you're going to find that it's really going to increase your endurance. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, check out the tutorials I have linked right over here, and I will see you in the next video.